Hey guys, this is Ryan with Ocala Tractor. Today we're going to be looking at some of our West Coast best flail mowers. These are something new for us. They're something that has been used in Europe and the rest of the world for a long time, and something that does a really nice job that we're starting to offer here. This particular one is considered the medium duty. It's a 61-inch cut, so a little over 5 foot, so that should cover the width of most of your compact tractors there. On this particular one here, we're out here in some thicker brush here, and we're just going to show you guys how it's going to go. So I'm going to hop on the tractor here and give you a little demo. The tractor we're using for this is a 25 horsepower, so bear that in mind. So as you guys can see, this thicker stuff here, after just one single pass, you can see the kind of job it's done compared to what would be your bush hogs and stuff. And then if you compare over here, where the grass was thinner, you can see it's really chopped it down to nothing. You got a really nice clean cut there, and all of this is broken down really nice too. Couple passes on this really thick stuff, which I mean, I'm 6'2", and you can see how high this stuff is. It's gonna knock it all down. You'd never know it was there. If this is something you guys are interested in having a go with or coming out and looking at, you can check us out online at ocalatractor.com or give us a call, 352-732-8585.